Guys, the next chapter is sets, function, and relation. Very easy chapter, guys. Sets, very easy chapter. Actually, you should have done the standard class 6, 7, And I have taught all the definitions. I have given you what is the definition of set, two types of sets, finite set, infinite set, two methods to represent a set, that is roster method, set builder method, singleton set, null set, union, intersection, complement, then sets and subsets, universal set, proper subset, all those things you have done. And but if you want a short revision, you can go through your book, just go and see about these sets given, two methods here mentioned, and singleton set, equal sets. Just have a quick look. Exercise questions very easy. Then also I would like to, because while you did the question, uh, you have noticed that very fast you should have done the questions of this chapter, because very easy questions. Then also I would like to touch some two three questions just to remind all those things. See the first question, guys. Number of subsets of the set. Number of subsets, what's the definition, guys? If cardinal number, wait, if cardinal number of first set is equal to m, then total number of subsets, total subsets is equal to what? 2 to the power m. Here, how many, what is the cardinal number of this set? Here, the cardinal number of this set is 3. 1, 2, 3 elements. So, total subsets will be equal to how much? 2 to the power 3. That is equal to 8. Which option? B. Second question, the same question they are asking, the number of subsets of a set containing n elements. What will be your answer? 2 to the power n. Because number of subsets of a set containing n elements means the cardinal number is n. Now, null set is represented by, guys, 5, easy only questions, all easy questions, guys. And this question number 7, 8, 9, 10, all these are based on this information given in this question. See, question number 13. 13, 1 minus minus 1 to the power x. For all integral x, means x is integer. So 1 minus minus 1 to the power x. Guys, 1 minus minus 1 to the power x, and x is an integer. So x may be even integer or maybe odd integer. Why we are taking like this, odd integers separate, even integers separate? Because inside is minus, and if the power is even, the result will be plus, and if the power is odd, the result will be minus. That means 1 minus minus 1 to the power any even integer, like minus 1 square, minus 1 to the power 4, minus 1 to the power 6, minus 1 to the power 8, result will be what? Plus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1, minus 1 to the power whole 4 plus 1, minus 1 to the power whole 6 plus 1. So whatever be the even integer, the result will be plus 1. So ultimately it will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. That means any even integer be the power, the result will always be 0. Which even integer does not matter. Similarly, if odd integer, then minus 1 to the power odd integer. So odd integer means it will always be minus 1. Like minus 1 to the power 1, result is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power cube, result is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 5, the result is minus 1. So any odd integer, whichever be the result of this minus 1 to the power any odd integer, the result will be 1. Result will be minus 1. So ultimately it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means two answers are possible. Which two? Either 0 or 2. So what will be the answer? 0 or 2. Which question number? Which question number is? Yeah, 13 number. So your answer here, C, 0, 2. Now, guys, see question number 15. R is the set of positive rational number. Positive rational number. And E is the set of what? Real numbers. Guys, real numbers means what it will include? It will include rational also, it will include irrational numbers also, it will include positive rational number also, it will include negative rational. That E will include all those. That means obviously this R is included in E. That means R is contained in E. So R will be a subset of E. So which option? B option. Now 21, guys. A union A. A union A will be equal to A only. Why, sir? Suppose A is equal to ABC. So if you do A union A, it will be what? ABC union ABC. Uh, ABC. So what will be answer? That is ABC only. And that is what? A. A union A is equal to A. Think like this whenever any doubt is coming in your mind. A union B complement. Guys, actually, this is one of the De Morgan's laws. A union B complement will be equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. And you can understand, if you forget, you can understand by Venn diagram also. Because if you remember, A union B. A union B means what will come, guys? This shaded portion is A union B. So its complement means what? Except then this, what will come? The outside. And the outside is what? A bar intersection B bar. That is A complement intersection B complement. So A complement intersection B complement. Now 32 number. Guys, 32 number question. You are to do as it is directed in the question. See, the question has directed A delta B. A delta B is equal to what? A minus B union A minus B union B minus A. B minus A. Now, what is your A? 1, 2, 3, 4 given. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your A. Minus B. B is how much? 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. This is your A minus B. So, wait, guys, I will calculate separately such that you understand properly. Look here. A minus B I will calculate separately and B minus A separately. See, A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 3, 5, 7. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 5, 7. So if you calculate A minus B, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3, 5, 7. So this is equal to, what will happen? Elements which are common from both. Delete those elements from A. Which elements are common out of these two? Only one. Which one? 3. So delete 3 from here A. What will come, Only from A. Whatever elements are remaining, those will come. So 1, 2, 4 will come. Sir, what about this 5 and 7? No. You are to write down the elements remaining from A after deleting the common elements to both. That is A minus B. Now, B minus A, if we calculate, same rule will be followed here 3, 5, 7 minus A. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which elements? Or element is common? Only 3 is common. So delete these 3 because it is common from A. Here also you can do like this, tick here also, such that you will understand that you have deleted 3 because 3 is common to both. But again, which will remaining elements of which set? The first one. Remaining elements of A here 1 to 4, so 1 to 4 has come. Here your first one is what? B. So remaining elements of B only will come. That is 5, 7 will come. Now See, your A minus B is how much? 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Union. B minus A is how much? 5, 7. So the result will be how much? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. This is the result of A delta B. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Option A. Guys, see. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Option A. Okay. Now, here guys, function. Yeah. In function, guys, these things, one to function, into function, on to function, one, many one, one, many, all those mappings I have shown to you. So nothing new here. Just you should go by that inverse function and inverse. See here, this line is important, guys. A function is invertible if and only if f is 1 and onto. 1 and onto means bijective function. Now, question number 2. Here, the relation is given equation is given x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5 means, guys, y is equal to 5 minus x. So what kind of function is this, guys? For every value of x, there will be one and only one value of y. So for every value of x, there is one and only one value of y. That means which function is this, guys? 1, 1. So, where? Yeah, see. Where xy belongs to R is a 1, 1 mapping. See, option C. Now, next question number C, 10. Fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. They have asked f of minus 1. Guys, you can replace this x on both the sides by any same thing. Here we need to calculate minus f of minus 1. So we will replace x by minus 1 on both the sides. So f of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 minus minus 1. And that is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2, B option. Question number 12. Fx is given, gx is given, composite function, guys. Fog x they are asking. Fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Gx is equal to x minus 1 by x. Gx is equal to x by, no. Gx is equal to x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x, that is gx. And the question has asked fog x. Fog x. What I have taught, how to do this kind of composite function, guys. F of g, right? Its proper format. F of gx. This thing you have been asked. What I have taught you, all of first look outside the bracket. What is written? F. Start from f. We'll start from here. Fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Now look inside, what is written? Gx. Replace x on both the sides by this gx. So if you do that, f of gx is equal to 1 by 1 minus gx. What you have done? We have replaced x on both the sides by gx. So automatically, this became f of g. F of g, or you can write f of g x means what? Fog in terms of x. Right hand side, gx value replace. What is the gx value? X minus 1 by x. So in place of gx, x minus 1 by x. Now simplify this. This is equal to, we will take the LCM. Wait. 1 by, here I will take the LCM x. It will be x minus 1. So this LCM x will go to the numerator by, here this x cancelled, minus minus plus 1. That is equal to what? X. So your fog x is equal to x. Fog x is equal to x. Question number is here. A. Question number 13. Fx is this. See. Now they are asking gof x. Guys, writing directly, guys. It is g of x. No. Guys, little bit, confusion is there. Actually, it should be g of f in terms of x this way. So g of fx means we need to calculate g of fx. So what is outside? G. We will start with g. What is that? Gx is equal to g of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. Now what is inside, guys? Fx. So we will replace this x on both the sides by fx. So we will get g of fx is equal to fx minus 1 by fx. What is fx? Fx is given as 1 by 1 minus x. So 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 by 1 by 1 minus x. That is equal to LCM 1 minus 1 minus x. By 1 minus x by 1 by 1 minus x. This and this cancelled. Finally, here this 1 cancelled, minus minus plus x. So this is also equal to x only. 13. Now, inverse function, this is for, here they are asking inverse function. One question I will pick for inverse. This question I will take for inverse, guys, because your log is there. See, guys, inverse, how to calculate, what I have taught to you, they have given hx is equal to log of x to the base 10. Let it be y. What I have taught to you, guys, your first step, represent x in terms of y. So y is equal to log of x to the base 10 means, if you want to represent x in terms of y, if you remember log, you convert this to indices. So what you can write? 10 to the power y is equal to x. So this implies x is equal to 10 to the power y. Done. X represented in terms of y. And now if you remember the second step, this was first step. Now the second step. If you remember, you go through the rule I have taught to you. Clearly I have told you to find the inverse. On the right hand side, replace y by x. So on the right hand side, if you replace y by x, it will be 10 to the power x. And that is your h inverse. That is the inverse function. So you can check here which option, 10 to the power x, here, option B. I'm not going to the original definition, guys, because that I have taught to you. Now, okay. Venn diagram based questions. Guys, this summary is important, guys. Always for any chapter, you go to the summary, best and short revision. Singleton set, equal sets, universal. Some examples also they have given: equivalent set, power set, number of subsets, proper subsets also given, Cartesian products of sets. All these definitions I have explained with the examples also. You have done 1 on 2 bijective function, different types of relation. Here I will go to touch some Venn diagram based questions, guys. I see question number 9, question number 10. Any other question here? Question number 16 also. All these Venn diagram based questions, guys. See, yeah, you can do by formula also. A has to see, one question I will doing by formula and one I will do by Venn diagram. A has 32 elements. It means cardinal number of A is equal to 32. Now, B has 42 elements means cardinal number of B is equal to 42. A union B has 62 elements means cardinal number of A union B is equal to 62. Now question asking number of elements in A intersection B. That means they are asking an intersection B. You can do by Venn diagram, but I am doing by formula because I want to show you the formula. Which formula you know guys? Cardinal number of A union B is equal to cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B. This is given 62. This Na is 32. Nb is 42. And Na intersection B they are asking. So if you shift N intersection B to the left hand side, then this is 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. This 62 transfer to this side, it will be 12. But we can do by Venn diagram also. See similar type of question. Next question I will do by Venn diagram. In a group of 20 children, 8 drink tea but not coffee. Where to do? 20 children, 8 drink tea but not coffee, and 13 like tea. The number of children drinking coffee but not tea. Two things are only there, guys: tea and coffee. Question number. Question number is 10. See, tea and coffee. So we will draw two circles. One for tea, other for coffee. Question is saying total 20 children, 8 drink tea but not coffee. Guys, drink tea but not coffee. This is the portion, tea but not coffee. And then again they are saying 13 students are such that they drink tea. So tea is this circle. And already 8 we have marked here. So remaining 5 out of 13 will go here. Now this way it become 13 for tea and 8, this 8 for those who drink tea but not coffee. And then they are saying 20 children, the number of children drinking coffee but not tea, guys, means this person, coffee but not tea. Total 20, 8, 5, 13. So 20 minus 13, 7. Your answer will be 7. But guys, here in this question, they should have mentioned one information. You know what? That out of these 20 students, there is no student who doesn't like either of these two. That means all the students must like at least one of these two drinks. Why I'm saying, because 13 here, 8 and 5, and total 20. So remaining 7 I marked here. It could have been that only 4 will go here, 3 will go outside, or 5 will go here, 2 will outside. No outside will come. Outside these two circles, nobody will come when if questions is saying that every student must like at least one of these two drinks. So nobody will come outside. So obviously total 20 minus 13, 13, 7 here. Then the question will be proper. Now, question number 16. A town has a total population 50,000. Out of 20,000 read newspaper X, newspaper Y. Okay. Guys, same question like near about first one. No, not first one, the ninth one. But here I will do this by Venn diagram. See. Venn diagram. Newspaper X, newspaper Y. You should start from where 4,000 read both the papers. Both the papers means here. So 4,000 will come here. Now, how many read the newspaper X? 28,000 read the newspaper X. So 28,000 minus this 4,000, 24,000 will go here. No. Yeah, correct. So X became 28. Now, and 23,000 read Y. So 23 minus 4, 19,000 will go here. Question is saying number of persons not reading X and Y both. Okay. So total how many? 50,000. So guys, 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 19. 28 plus 47. 47,000 are reading at least one of these two newspapers. So how many are not reading either of these two remaining from that 50,000? So 50,000 minus 47,000, 3,000. They'll go outside. These people don't read either of these two. And that question has asked 3,000. 3,000, no? Yeah. Okay. Hmm. One more inverse question, guys. Fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x, f inverse x. See, fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Question has asked what? F inverse x. Simply follow the rule I have taught to you. Y is equal to fx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Step 1 I have taught to you. What? Represent x in terms of y. Do. Represent x in terms of y means left hand side only x. How? What will you do? You can cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. So y into 1 minus x is equal to 1. Remove this y. So 1 minus x is equal to 1 by y. So if I transfer x to that side, I can write x is equal to 1 minus 1 by y. See, x has been expressed in terms of y. So step 1 done. Now step 2, what I have taught to you. On the right hand side, replace y by x. If you do that, right hand side will be 1 minus 1 by x. This is your f inverse x. This is your f inverse x. Check any option is matching. Okay, it is calculated form, guys. So that is equal to, if you take the LCM, it will be x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x means option B. Additional question bank not required, guys. And afterward, calculus is there, guys. And non-math students, I know you people will not do calculus. So actually, this revision work I am especially doing for non-math background students only, because math background don't need actually any kind of revision. So I am not going to touch the calculus portion. Now I will go to do touch some questions of statistics. Obviously, this first chapter, central tendency and dispersion, very, very important and most important part of statistics. So this chapter want to stop it here only.